How to fix network connection error in Grand War 4. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you can't log in or the game keeps showing network error in Grand War 4, then here is how you can fix the issue. The first thing you want to do is to go check your internet connection. Make sure that your network is stable, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router, and make sure that you have the stable internet connected. Sometimes a connection is the number one cause of the error. A weak internet connection will not help you or allow you to get back to your game, so make sure you fix the network issue first. If the problem still persists, then restart the Grand War 4 game. To restart the game, go to the bottom of the screen and drag upwards from the bottom. Now in the Recent tab, go ahead and clear out any background running app by clicking on Clear All at the top right. Once you do that, open the Grand War 4 game again, and this will refresh the connection to game servers. Right after you do that, you might be able to fix your issue, but if it still does not, the next thing you want to do is to clear your game cache. Open the Settings application from your device, especially Android devices, and once you're inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. From the app list, select Grand War 4. Inside the app info for Grand War 4, click on Clear Data at the bottom right, and in the pop-up, click on Clear Cache. Click OK in the pop-up, and once you do that, the app cache will be cleared from your device. Now open Grand War 4 game again, and the clearing game cache removes corrupted temporary files causing login errors. If that still does not fix your issue, then the last thing you can do is to restart your device, turn your device off and on again, and this will reset network and background processes. So those were some of the fixes you could try in order to fix a network connection error in Grand War 4 using your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.